doesn't go over them. Right? You know not to fall off the bed anymore.
That's a great
You
shot.
Both feet.
Of all your hands and him.
He's like, yeah, being muscled over by both parents. Two-parent solution is what we call it. Two parents. You will
Big yawn.
Oh,
yeah. Good job,
That's
boy.
not a good nap.
long enough.
Not a good nap.
What happened? How'd you wake up, buddy? Let's see. Maybe
We'll do
one.
it. We'll do it.
Did you get those amazing cashmere wool socks I sent you?
Yeah, where
Yes.
are they?
Oh, God.
Did we not thank you for them? Because that would be
Oh, no, I can't even remember. It's okay.
Those are down here. Those are so nice.
Oh, my God.
With the little
His
stripes.
first cashmere.
It's 55 degrees.
But he has nicer socks than any of us do.
You need
Yeah,
earmuffs.
these are there.
Oh.
Give me the can. I'll
Should we
put
put
this
socks
for-
underneath his?
Yeah. Yeah.
These are